Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you the steps that I took to deploy a PHP website on AWS server. That's on AWS console. So I'm going to use the student credentials that you shared with me. This was the student's credential, and this was the password that you gave me. So I'm going to log in into AWS login actually. So we have to log into AWS Management Console. No, we should log in, sign into the console. Yes. So root user. So I'm going to take this student detail, email, and use it to log in. So on the password, yeah, I'm logged in. So this is actually the AWS Management Console, whereby we are going to use LDS in the purpose for database purposes, EC2 for storing our static files. So I'm going majorly to consider on this one, where we are going to host the website. I'm coming here, we open an instance. So our main instance that we are used was this one, automotive. So we are going to click on it, and then we will have to connect to that server so that we can access the website files. So to connect to it, and as you can see from the details part, this is a Windows server, this is a Windows platform. Yeah. So we'll come here and connect. So we are going to connect through LDP client. So what you should do, you should come here and download this mod desktop file, and then come here, get a password. So to get a password, when you are setting up this server, there's a file that ends with an extension .pen, which we downloaded. It is a private file that actually is used to connect to that particular server. So we are going to browse that file, and I had actually downloaded it. So yeah, it is here, pen.new.pen. That was the file. So we have to decrypt the password, and then a password will be generated for you. So we have to copy that password, and then come here, and then just click on this downloaded file. So you have to connect, and then you have to enter the password that you took from here. So let me just copy it. Good. And you are connected with that server. So yeah, you are connected to the server. So this is the virtual machine where our website is. And as you can see, when you come here, you can find our files. Our files actually, our website file, index, login, mail, sign in, all the files that actually we need for our website are all set in this virtual machine that is actually offered by AWS. So to access our website, we have to come to this instance and then just click this IP address or this one, and automatically it will open the website for you. Yeah, this is the website that actually we hosted. Yeah, as you can see, it's amazing. With so these are some of the parts or products that are being sold. This is some of the customer reviews. This is the contact us form. About us page. It's loading. It's good. Products page is okay. Actually, this is actually a template that the student shared. So I use this template to now from the contact us form. Actually, let me say I'm Caleb. So I'm going to use, let me say this one. Hi everyone. You have good products here. So how can I get one? So when you send, this message is actually submitted to the owner's email, and as you can see, the email has been just sent. So if the owner checks the email, you'll find that message in his or her inbox. So this was actually the website that I deployed, and it can be accessed online by anyone just using this link. I also added the functionality of login. A user can log in or register, and after registering, he or she can log in actually. So for instance, let me create a user. Let me say Caleb. Sign up. As you can see, my account has been created. So when I come in, when I click here and then try to log in,